Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I'm going to do something fun tonight. I am going to do two techniques with the same colors layered the same way in the cup. I'm going to do a wandering ring pour, and I'm also going to do a wandering straight pour. And I'll do them side by side for you so that you can see the differences. You can always let me know which one you like better in the comments. The colors have been recommended by Rita, and I'm testing out some colors for a commission for her. So it's going to be like a peacock darkish blue, a super bright red, silver. I think it's going to come out really, really cool, and I'm interested of which one I'm going to like more, the wandering straight pour or the wandering ring pour. Let's find out. Let's paint. All right, hi everyone. I'm going to be doing something fun tonight. I have another request from Rita. I did some paintings for her earlier, and what I'm gonna do, you're probably like, what is this? I have the same paints mixed the same way, layered the same way. On one of them, I'm going to do a wandering ring pour, traveling ring pour, and the other, I'm gonna do a wandering or traveling straight pour. So I'm thinking this one's the straight pour will have more like fingerlings around it, and then I'll stretch them both out. This one I think is gonna have more lines once stretched out and almost look like a ribbon pour. So, and then I will show them both to her and see if she likes either one. I'm gonna start I think with this one. I'm gonna pour out of this side to go ahead and get, and I'm just gonna keep it all kind of in the middle here. So I'll start with my rings, get some rings going, and then I'm going to just wander this on around. I used a peacock blue that I made, and I mixed in some silver into it. Carrying this one right back on along here. No idea how that's gonna come out. Okay, that one looks pretty interesting. So my lines definitely got tighter as I went up there, and that part's gonna be pushed off. Now and I'm gonna go ahead and pop any air bubbles now, because I don't really want any cells, or very minimal, I should say, in that. Okay, so this one is going to be the straight pour. I'm gonna do the same thing, close to the center, and I am just going to twist my cup as I go along, and I'm trying to pour kind of slow. This one is much harder. Wow. Ugh. And then as you move, it's very difficult. Oh my gosh. This is really hard. Trying to get all the colors in there and move it and twist it a little bit as I go. I want to bring it back because I really like that part. Wow. That was much harder to do. Holy poop. Okay. All right, let me give this one a torch. The designs in this one are so, I mean, they're both really cool, but the designs in this one, wow. Whew. All right, which one do I tilt first? I don't know. I think I'm going to tilt this one first, actually. So I'm just going to, when I tilt, I like to roll to both edges and just kind of work the weight of the paint up towards the top. Especially that will let me know if I have enough paint, because if I try to go all the, well, I may try to go, what normally ends up happening is that I lose a lot of the paint and I realize like that I realize that I need it. Oh, I love that corner too. Okay, all right, bringing this back, I'm going to turn it around so that I can tilt towards you on this part as well. Ooh, this is really cool. This part down here. Wow. This one is much more interesting than I thought it was going to be, the straight pour. And you can let me know which one you like the best. I think they're both going to be really cool. Okay, so now I'm going to tilt down. Try not to get any paint on the other one as well. Tilt all the way down to that corner and then back. Gonna get some of my red here for this corner. I had a lot of blue on my finger. Oh no, I still do. I'll have to paint that after. This one is really pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna move it on down this way and off this edge. Bring it back. Okay, I like the flow of this one. Oh, I had a lot of air bubbles starting to pop right there. And then I need to just touch the sides to make sure I have enough paint. I have the exact color combo right there. Okay. Oh, there's a lot missing over on that side. Let me get that. Okay, this one's going to be super interesting. So I guess I'll stretch the way that you're seeing it here first. So I'm going to do the same thing, walk the paint on down, and I was interested to see what that would look like, but it all went off. Okay, bringing that back. Ooh, this is really pretty too. I don't know which one I like better. I do want to, I'll do it with a little stick. I wanted to drag some of these lines. I was just seeing if I could drag any of these lines a little bit. Like that. Oh, there's lots of air bubbles that I need to pop. Okay, I'm gonna spin this one around. I'll get my edges. that one's got a bunch of white. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make that look the same. Sometimes it's just not possible to get the exact color. But, all right. So this one, oh, see, I didn't look at the weight of my paint and it was already all the way down there. Oh, I don't want to drip on the other one. So this one is like I thought. It looked like a wandering, like a ribbon pour. Because the rings, I'm gonna get paint. I know me. And I was going to get paint everywhere. And I just got it on my shoe. As I poured those rings across each other, you got some layers in between there, and then the rings themselves, once stretched out, ended up looking like ribbons. So that one is very cool. This one, what I thought there would be more like fingerlings, although I do just wish the red had like carried in through here a little bit. And the one thing that I'll say is I layered the silver next to the red, and I'm not absolutely loving that color that it made. It's nice, but okay. Interesting. Same colors, same design, very different feel. I feel like I want to stretch this a little bit more, but I'm gonna leave them. They're experiments, I'm gonna leave them. All right, I'm gonna touch up my edges and then torch again, and then I will show you the difference between the two, and then I'll show you them dry. Okay, so here they both are. This one, super interesting lines. Way harder to actually travel that and do it. It made a really pretty purple from the red. You can see it down there. But next time I think I wouldn't layer the silver next to the red, because while it looks really cool and I think it'll dry interesting, it muted the red a little bit. So then on to this one. The lines in this one are so cool. Few air bubbles that popped, but really does just look like a ribbon pour almost. So wandering ring pour, wandering straight pour. I will show you what both of these look like dry. All right, here they both are, and I like them both, honestly. This one is very, very cool on the design, and you can see in some places, you can see like underneath the rings, that peacock blue color is extremely pretty. And the metallic in it, I don't know if you can see it, but it shines. I really like that one. This one, my favorite part is right up there. And I love that turquoise. And like I had said in the video when I was making it, that silver next to the red, I may have changed that just a little bit, but I actually like it here, because it almost gave it like dimension. But here it kind of grayed or muted out the red a little bit. So I actually like the red at the bottom better on this one. But the lines, both techniques are super cool. So wandering straight pour and wandering ring pour. And let me know some other techniques. I'm thinking about doing a couple same color but different techniques, just to see like how amazing fluid art really is and how much different these paintings can look using the same colors. So if you have any ideas for 2 techniques you'd like me to try side by side, let me know in the comments. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to send both of these to Rita and see if she likes either one. They really kind of go together, honestly. The way that they flow. Super cool. All right, thank you for watching. Happy painting. Bye.